Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going to try a ring pour just using leftover paints that you can see here. And these were paints that I used in my stained glass video that hopefully you saw. So all of these paints have silicone in them. They're pretty thick, and I'm just gonna layer them in this cup. I think I'm gonna drizzle it on the bottom, just get enough to cover that. Wow! Let's try that again. Okay. So I have the yellow, the orange, the red. Go with this blue. Emerald green. All these paints are Montmartre paints, with the exception of the white that I'm going to add, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. It should be interesting to see what happens with this as a ring pour, because I am going to torch it and get some cells. So this could be just a different way of doing a stained glass look. I'm just going to use up all these paints, because that's the idea. Create a pretty picture with what you got left over. Oh. And hopefully not dump it on your workspace. Okay. Now I'm going to pour this directly onto a dry canvas, but I do have some flow extender to the ready, just off to the side there, and it's considerably thinner than these other paints. And of course I do that to help the pretty pattern flow more easily over the canvas. That's the idea of having that flow extender. All right, we're getting there. And last but not least, our emerald green. Definitely just little drags. So this canvas, just a little 10 by 10 canvas. It is not a gallery wrapped. It's just stapled on the back. And finish it with a drizzle of the white. All right. There's my cups. Or my cup, nice and full. See it? All right, let's do this. So I'm going to move my spoons out of the way. Okay. I'm just going to do like a messy ring pour. Apparently it's a very messy ring pour. Just change the direction of my rings there. You can do that. Make it what you want. As I'm getting to the end here, I'm just slowing this down. I think this is going to work pretty well. Okay. Catch that drip. Oh, I didn't do too badly there. I am just going to take this and swirl that around. Okay. Now I have an awful lot of paint on here, so I may not even use much of the flow extender. Yeah. Does not look like I need the flow extender at all. Okay, I'm just going to move that back, get the weight of the paint back in the center. Look at all those cells already. I'm loving it. Okay. I had to go and get a new torch, so check this out. It is pristine. Won't be for very long though. Here we go. Let's torch. Wow. Uh-oh. What happened there? There, try that again. New torch issues. So I'm popping air bubbles, but I'm also heating up the paint again to help that silicone move through the layers of water-based paint and create some beautiful cells. You can already see them coming up. All right, I'm going to stop that there and I'm going to just spin this. Good, good, good. Let's come over the side on this edge. Oh, wow. It's so pretty. Ooh, what fun. Okay. Just need this side now. I don't know that the rotation of the spin is important. I just do it to amuse myself. Okay, I am going to grab some of this paint that's come off the edge and I'm just going to put it on here. Just so that these sides will flow more easily. Just wet that canvas. So I'm just using the drips that have come down as a flow extender. There. Now we'll spin a little bit. Whoa. Whoa, stop that. Let's get you back. There, now let's try. Too much muscle. Shifted the paint. Almost here, almost there. We'll go this way. Okay. Come on, just a little bit more. Trying to decide whether I'm just going to help it by tipping it, which I think I will. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, you know, I don't want to wreck the composition and the spin on here. Just for that little corner there. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. That's close enough. I got that there. This over here, not really an issue because it's so little. Okay, got that centered there. All right, let's bring you in. Nice quick pour. Look at that. My blues and the green, I think mostly float off the edge, but there's still plenty of representation of those colors in here. So there you have it. There's I don't know what to call this. The stained glass Vortex. How about that? If you guys think of a name, let me know. Put it in the comments below. And as always, thank you for joining me. If you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like. And we'll see you on the next video of Kim's Creations. Bye for now.